What's up? Hello. I have felt very, very 90s today. I filmed a TikTok earlier of crying girl makeup, and then I've kind of upped it and changed it, and I am in love with this colour. I cannot remember what it's called, but if you want a tutorial on this look, I can do that for you. Just let me know in the little comment box. Thank you. Let's get into it. So, as you have noticed, this is a Glossy Box unboxing haul. So today we are going to open this and we're going to see what products are inside. I did this all last year except in the last month, unfortunately, because I was moved around and it kind of got lost. So that really, really broke my heart because I found out that it was a Frozen box thing and it had stuff for Frozen in it at like I think it was like to go ice skating or something, or see the show on ice. And me and my daughter, we love Frozen. We love it so much, so much. I've even got her like I think every outfit of Frozen because we love it, and most of them was actually off of Wish and Amazon, and they did the best version of those dresses. You cannot find those dresses in normal shops, which is so unfortunate because I prefer going into shops. But getting sidetracked, I am bringing this back for this year. I have got my whole yearly subscription for $11.99. This is obviously not an ad. I just absolutely love Glossy Box. And yeah, you always get things that you don't know that you are going to want or need in your life until you have it, and then you're like, where has that been all my life? So yeah, I'm really excited to open this. It's been a while since I've opened a Glossy Box. So this is gonna get exciting. It's exciting. Let's get into it. I'm gonna open this box down here because I don't want to flash you all on my address, even though it'd be lovely to see you. I don't want, you know, tons of people around because, you know, that means a lot of hosting, and, you know, I didn't plan. Okay, it's just a standard Glossy Box, unfortunately. Oh, but I've got some bits. This is HelloFresh. I've been thinking about getting this. Many Instagrammers are using this. YouTubers, TikTokers, all of the ploppers. Honestly, there's so many people using HelloFresh, and me and my boyfriend, we've been debating it, but I'm very, very fussy with food, whereas he's not. So it'll probably most likely be for him, but I'll cook it because I love cooking. That isn't literally a him-her thing, you know, get into the kitchen. No, I love to cook. Absolutely love to cook. So that's going to be really, really nice. So it's 65% off my first box, and then another 65% off my first box. So I'll tell you if I do that. Second, trip. I need a trip. I've barely been on any trip, so I really need a trip. Dry January just got better with premium infused CBD drinks and oils. 25% off my first order. Very, very nice. I might try that. Wait, hold on, what does it say? The perfect alcohol alternative. Let the trip be part of your evening wind down routine and say cheers to stress-free shipping without hangover. Cool. Unwind your mind infused with natural tentacles like ginseng, turmeric, and chamomile to help you relax into your best self. Easy to drift off, melt daily stresses away with Trip's bedtime blend of soothing lavender and chamomile. Well, for someone that has a lot of kids, this sounds good to me. It helps me wind down, help me chillax. So that's good. And lastly, oh yes, I've been definitely thinking about this. This is the Wild case. So it's the refillable natural personal care. Single-use plastic stinks, so it does stink. It stinks. So we've created reusable bathroom essentials made from aluminum that will last you a lifetime. That's really cool. 50% off my first order. Yes, yes please. Can't wait for payday. Oh, this is cute. I really want a dog, but I can't have a dog until I move from here because this place is not good for animals. It's not good for humans, really. But that's my life. Tails.com. The nutrients they needed. The flavour they crave. If anybody wants that, the code is on screen. That's enough. Pause the video if you need more time. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. Oh, Oral-B I.O. Yes, I.O. Scan to redeem your exclusive offer. Okay, so you have oh, that was for £450. I never spend that much on a toothbrush. Like, never. I've got an Oral-B, but I did not spend over £400 for it. Like, no. But this looks good. This looks fancy. And lastly, Vital. Vitamins personalised to you. Well, even though that does sound really, really beneficial, I am not your key market demographic. So let's get into the products. Finally. So, let's open it. What's inside? What's inside? Probably gonna break what's ever inside. Let's stop doing that. Okay. Unveiling. It's the common black ribbon. I thought that was just gonna pull off nicely, but no. This reminds me of the Darwin film when I pull ribbons. If you know, you know. But that is really, really good. I'm gonna put that in my hair. If it will go. Cute. Okay. Let's get into this. We got the black snakes. Now, ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ah, it's the Daily Concepts Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. I had the pink one. They actually gave me the pink one already, and I got that from Glossy Box. Oh my god, it looks purple. I love purple. I love it. It's my favourite colour. Ooh. Ah. I might use the pink one from brushes and this one for my face. That's so cool. I love that. I love that so much. So this is what I mean. You get goodies. Okay. Ooh. We've got some eye patches. I've seen these a lot. I believe I did have a set before. So it's like 2 under eye patches that minimise the appearance of puffiness, dark circles and tired looking eyes in just 15 minutes, which will probably do me a world of wonder on maybe a Friday. So like I can just decompress from having to get up really, really early in the morning and get kids ready. You know, the best thing you could ever do. So good. But yeah, I'll be using that. I'll definitely be using that. Next, we have the Molten Brown London Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. Just looks like that. It's normal clear gel. Let's see if it actually is exciting. Oh, it doesn't have a little you would think there'd be a tabby thing in there. Like, I don't even know if that's okay to use. Did someone open this before me? Oh, that does smell good. Cedarwood. Oh, that's such a good smell. Okay, I don't mind if someone opened it. I'm still gonna use it. Waste not, want not. But that is really, really nice. I like it. Kind of reminds me of Bablis and Harding. Yeah. It's good. It's good. Okay, I've got loads of sticky stuff on my hands. Shh. That's what she said. Anyway. Okay, this is the Otto. Where's my minions? They're not here. Anyway. Otto. CBD. Nourish dry hands day after day, infused with pure Otto CBD, aloe vera, sweet almond and holly basil oils to help moisturize, soften and protect the skin. Again, going in for the smell. See? That's sealed. What was in the other thing? Ooh. It got excited. Ooh. That's really good. That's really nice. Please excuse my nails. They don't look right. Ooh, that looks so good. Looks, smells really good. I like that. I like that a lot. I like it. It's mine. And lastly, ooh, this is interesting. The Pulse Point Roller. Find your peaceful place at night and even throughout the day. Rich woody aromas ground you, while lavender and chamomile soothe the nervous system. It actually says Okay. So roll on pulse points at the temples, neck, wrists, or apply behind the ears. This is going to be... Oh. It is all... Oh. That definitely smells like this. This and this smells pretty much the exact same. Even though I've got makeup on, I am going to put it on my temples. Just a... Oh. You know, this feels really good. Like, I mean, my makeup's come off pretty bad, but just cover that with my hair. It's not doing a good job, but it's covered. But that felt really nice on my temples because it was like going over my veins and stuff, and that felt really, really nice to have. Okay, that was very, very nice. I liked all of those products a lot. I'm going to get a lot of use out of them, that's for sure. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, these were all the products that we had. And it was very cool. I love this. I cannot wait to use this and show it to my boyfriend because I love it. I love this. Really does help your complexion and stuff and get all the dirt and debris out of your face. So this is really, really good. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed it, and I'll see you next February for the next Glossy box that will come out that probably will be associated with Valentine's Day. So I can't wait to see the products that will be used for that. So if you've enjoyed, like, subscribe, click that bell, baby, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.